Rumor has it that the Samsung Galaxy S25 series could drop in mid-January 2025, featuring the S25, S25 Plus and the headline grabber, the S25 Ultra. The current Galaxy S24 Ultra is already one of the most powerful phones out there, so the thought of an upgrade is exciting. We are expecting improvements in camera, design and maybe even a new name for the S25 Ultra. But before I jump into all the details, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's kick things off with design. If the rumors are true, Samsung might be giving the S25 Ultra a slight makeover. Instead of the sharp corners on the S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra could feature a rounded design similar to competitors like the Pixel 9 Pro XL and iPhone 16 Pro Max. This could make the phone more comfortable to hold, especially during long gaming or streaming sessions. Moving on to the display, the S25 Ultra is rumored to have a 6.9-inch AMOLED screen, just a tiny bit larger than the S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch display. The difference might seem small, but thanks to slimmer bezels, the experience could feel much more immersive. Both displays will likely use Samsung's top-tier M13 OLED panel tech, which is already stunning on the S24 Ultra. New colors are also expected, the quirky name like silver blue and white silver. And let's not forget about the new black detailing around the rear camera rings, adding a sleek touch to the design. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a performance beast. It's expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which promises faster load times, smoother multitasking and better gaming performance compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the S24 Ultra. RAM could also get a boost. While the S24 Ultra comes with 12 GB of RAM across all the variants, the higher-end models of the S25 Ultra could pack 16 GB of RAM. This extra memory could unlock even better performance, especially for power users juggling heavy apps, gaming and multitasking. But here's the catch. The starting price for the S25 Ultra is likely to match or even exceed the S24 Ultra's 1,30,000 rupees original price tag. If you are looking for value, the S24 Ultra might still be a solid choice, especially with potential price drops once the S25 Ultra launches. Now, Samsung has always set a high bar for mobile photography, and the S25 Ultra is expected to push the boundaries even further. The main camera is likely to stay at 200 megapixel, but the ultra-wide lens could get a major upgrade from 12 megapixel to 50 megapixel. That's a big deal for landscape photography and capturing more details in group shots. The rest of the camera setup is rumored to stay the same, a 50 megapixel periscope lens with a 5x zoom and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x zoom. While this might not sound like a huge leap, Samsung software magic could take things to the next level. The S25 Ultra is expected to launch with One UI 7, which could bring AI-powered enhancements for better low-light shots and overall image processing. Speaking of AI, the Galaxy S25 series will continue this trend with even more. Expect enhanced Galaxy AI capabilities like real-time translations, text generation assistance, AI-powered image creation and much more. Now here's an interesting twist. Some rumors suggest that Samsung might ditch the Ultra name entirely and bring back the iconic Note branding, calling it the Galaxy S25 Note. While there is no concrete evidence yet, this would definitely excite fans of the Note series, which hasn't seen a new model since 2020. Regardless of the name, you can expect the signature S Pen to stick around, making this a productivity powerhouse for users who love note-taking, drawing or precision controls. So should you make the leap to the S25 Ultra? If you already own the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the upgrades might feel incremental. A slightly larger display, a more powerful chipset and a better ultra-wide camera are nice, but they might not justify the high price tag for everyone. However, if you are using an older Galaxy model or switching from a different brand, the S25 Ultra could be the ultimate upgrade. And let's not forget the potential value of the S24 Ultra. With price cuts likely once the S25 Ultra launches, it could still be one of the best phones you can buy without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Hook, and turn on notification for more tech comparisons and deep dives. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.